What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to darken areas of an image in Photoshop CC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After importing an image to Photoshop, make sure that it's not set as your background layer. In case it is, then right-click the layer and select Layer from Background. Next, select your Dodge tool in your toolbar. You will see this circle as your cursor, indicating the width of your tool. You can change the size with this slider system on top, as well as the hardness. When left-clicking and moving over your image, you can see that this tool will, by default, brighten up what you select. In your toolbar, right-click the Dodge tool and select the Burn tool. This will darken up areas in your image. You should tweak your exposure to increase or decrease the darkening amount. In most cases, you will have to reduce this option to around 25%. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.